All right, so today we're talking about life insurance. And I normally hear, hey, how much life insurance should I buy? Let's break that out really quick. So you need to know how much life insurance you should get. I will tell you the best policy you can have is one that's enforced the day you die. So if you have nothing, buy something. Even if it's something simple as $10,000, $25,000 whole life or term policy. Have something. Don't have your face show up on a GoFundMe account. Like, I don't want to see it there. It makes me sad. There's easy ways to fix it for a few dollars a month where you have some decent coverage, and life insurance is tax-free to your beneficiaries, okay? So back to the breakdown on life, what this does for you. So here's how you do it. First, L, loans. Tally up, add up any loans you have, mortgage, cars, educational expense, okay, or student loans. Those never go away, all right? So add up all your loans, all right? Add up how many years of income you would like to replace if you died for your family. So depending on who you ask, I mean, it can go from 5 to 7 to 10 years, okay, of multiples of income, but figure out annual income and then multiply that by how many years that you want to look. I always say go high. So start off with 10 years of replacement, all right? If so, you can back off this number as you get your total. F, that is final expense. I think the average funeral cost now is around $12,000. Once again, if you Google that, you're going to see numbers all over the board. I think $10,000 to $12,000 is a good spot to start at. Lastly, E, that's for education. So if you have kids, you want to put towards a college fund, or that can just be what's called legacy. So hey, my kids are grown, but I have grandkids. You know, if something happened to me, I would like to leave enough money where they can buy their first car with it, okay? Or have money to put towards their first home or whatever you want to do. That can also be a nonprofit organization, your church, whatever you would like for it to be that you can make a beneficiary. All right, so you take all this stuff and you add it up, you're going to get a really big number, okay? All right, once you get this number, now go back and minus out retirement plans. I'm not going to get this low, okay? So you got retirement plans, savings, okay? Any other life insurance you have, minus the numbers out of this one, all right? Whatever that comes up to, that is your life needs analysis, okay? Probably going to be a lot of zeros there, probably some commas. Once again, the most important thing you can take away from this is take action. If you're on the fence or just don't want to put that much expense into it yet, okay, that's fine. Buy a simple policy. The worst thing I see is when somebody dies and there's not even money to put them in the ground. So now somebody has to figure out where they're going to take a loan and make monthly payments to take care of your final expenses. We wrote a policy today for $13.31 a month that gives somebody $100,000 in death benefit, okay? That varies by person. There's also several other things you can do with life insurance towards long-term care, helping hit some of your retirement goals. But at its most basic form, let it take care of final expense. If you've had a final expense policy for a while, now get serious about what you actually need to meet your needs if something happened to you to take care of your family. It's the same as buying car insurance or homeowners insurance or, you know, eating healthy. Like, this is part of it. You need to make sure this needs to be a part of your portfolio and what you're doing. You don't have to get crazy with the policy. You can start off with something that's very simple as a term that is pennies a day. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You can find all my contact information at chapmaninsurancegRP.com. Or you can direct message me to our Facebook page. And but if you have an agent you're happy with, reach out to your advisor. Talk to them. I'm sure they have some good recommendations for you as well. And a lot of times you can bring this together with your other lines of business, auto and home, and get some multi-line discounts. James Chapman, Chapman Insurance Group.